it's D Fishing here, and today I am gonna be tilapia fishing. So I have my bobber and a gulp worm. So let's get on to some tilapia. Well, we gotta first see lake creature of the day. Not the species that I wanted, but we're gonna try and get this guy off the hook.
Look, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay.
I
don't know how to take that
I don't know.
Devin.
It's fine. It's fine.
Get him in the water.
All right. He's not gonna die out of the water. Okay, so, ooh, this is gonna be hard to get him off the hook.
Dude, they don't snap, I don't think.
Yeah, they are. I think this one's a snapping turtle.
No.
All right, I'm gonna try and get him off the hook. All right, guys. So I got that turtle off of the hook. Here we go. Hold on. Alright, well, I think that was a tilapia. It was nibbling at it. Oh, here he goes again. Eat it. Hold on. Alright, so let's see. Well, I guess he's not coming back. But we got the turtle off. And so yeah, let's try and catch a tilapia now, not a turtle. Alright. Jeez. This thing is bugging me. It's like just bobbing. But he's not fully taking it. Alright. Well, I'll catch you guys whenever I have a fish. Alright guys, so I just gave up on tilapia fishing. Now I'm back to bass fishing. Let me show you my setup. I got a little green pumpkin frog. So yeah, let's try and catch some bass. Alright guys, so it's about 9 o'clock right now. How's it going? Okay, so yeah, you too. Yeah. Well, someone asked me, what am I recording for? I said YouTube, for you guys. You guys can probably barely see me. I'm riding my bike home. There we go. So yeah, we put on I can't even talk. I don't even know what I'm talking about. I'm delirious. So we were tilapia fishing, and then after that we went back to bass fishing, and we didn't catch anything except for a turtle. So yeah, it's my madre. So yeah, that's pretty much the wrap up for today. We didn't catch any fish. We only caught turtle. Thank you. So yeah. Oh, and I almost forgot. So tomorrow, or no, Wednesday. Today's Monday. No, Sunday. Yeah, okay. So on Wednesday, today's Sunday. I'm delirious. I don't even know. But yeah, on Wednesday, me and my grandparents and I are going to go to League City. I mean, not League City. What is that place called? I don't even remember. I think it's like Waco. How did I get Waco mixed up with League City? I don't even know. Somewhere in Texas. Somewhere in West Texas. So yeah. We're doing that. And let's see what else. Oh yeah. So if you guys leave some comments down below, some questions that you want me to answer for you guys. My next video is gonna be a Q&A. So yeah, do that. And I'll see you guys in the next video.